Hello, friends, and my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to my channel, Helping Hands Diamonds. Today, I'm going to talk to you on a very important topic that is on three powers taught to us by Brit Worldwide to develop our Amway business in a most ethical manner. And they are the power of unity, the power of submission, and the power of spoken words. So, let's start with the first, that is the power of unity. We are all into a business of team building, and we have to build our organization in a strong way. And our team is having a common goal. Everyone is having a common goal, and that goal is to become a diamond. So there is a binding between the upline and the downline, and the downline and the upline. So all are bound to each other so that the common goal is being achieved. This binding should be strong. It should not topple. The foundation what we build should be strong so that the pillars, the organizational pillars will not break. It will not topple down. So this binding should be strong. And how can this binding be strong? The relation what we maintain between the upline and the downline in the organization should be strong. There will be a lovable nature in us. We should love each other so that this bonding can be stronger and stronger, and we can achieve the goal with a common aim. The same thing, what we should do is we should change in our family also. Because if we change in our family, the same thing will come out also. The basics change should happen in our family. The relation in our family between our husband and wife should be strong, or the children should be strong. We should change ourselves. If we are not, we should change ourselves so that what we do in our family will also be developed outside. We should also keep a good relation with our cross line. We need not talk to them regarding our business. We may be talking to them regarding their family well to do, or what about their family, or whatever it is. You can talk to them and keep a relation among themselves. This relation will be maintained throughout between the cross line, because when you are going into the meeting you will be finding a lot of people there. They might be your cross line. You can have a good relation with them. And there are three very good important words which you can use to keep up your unity, as they are commonly used, and they are very strong words, as sorry, thank you, I love you, God bless you. All these words you can use to create a good unity among yourself. And the next is the power of submission. Firstly, you should submit yourself to the God who has given you this opportunity as a very good business as Amway, where you have a ethical and asset-based business, where ethics are very strong in this business. So thank him always for giving you this opportunity, and for hearing your prayers for an opportunity you have prayed for. Always be a submission to your upline. He is your mentor who is teaching you. So always be thankful to him also for teaching you and guiding you in a proper way and showing you the business opportunity to grow your business. You should leave all ego, because sometimes your upline may be not as educated as you, but he might be very, very strong in this business. He'll be able to guide you very strongly in your business. So be always thankful to him and be with him always. The same thing, the submission should happen in your family also, wherein the husband and wife relation should be maintained. They both should know each other, what they are doing for the day. They have to plan together what are the planning they are going to do. Husband should know what wife is going to do, and wife should also know what they are going to do in the business for the same day. We should also be in submission with Amway and the Brit Worldwide, who is teaching you this business in a system. Amway, because there will be some other opportunities similar to Amway which will come in future to you. So they might say, some people might come to you and say, come join us, you can do Amway also, and along with us you join and do this business also. But you can't do two business together. You should be strong to Amway and be united to it, be submitted to it, and do Amway only. Now, once you have joined Amway, think only of Amway and growing the business. Don't mix up with other business also. You can talk to them saying that we are into Amway business, we will not disturb your business, nor you disturb our business. That way you can do. Be submitted to the Brit Worldwide also to grow the business. And be thankful to Brit Worldwide also. And the third is the power of spoken words. The power of spoken words is the most powerful thing what you can have. Words are like seeds. Words are like seeds. When you speak out, you give life to what you are saying. When you speak out, you are giving life to what you are saying. So always speak good things. Always think positive things. Always use words which are in reality. When you keep saying you'll become a diamond. I'll be a diamond. I'll be a diamond. You'll become a diamond. Always speak good things. Always say, I am blessed. I am healthy. I am good. Your life will move towards the words what you are speaking. Always thank God for what you have. Always thank Him for what you are having, what He has given you. He knows what you want and you are asking for. You will get it. Don't curse yourself, because when you curse yourself, the curses will come back to you. Always be talking, whatever you are talking, you should have a positive energy which is coming back to you. When you reap or when you sow apple seeds, you will get apple seeds. When you sow orange seeds, you will reap out orange seeds or oranges. You will not get something else. So whatever your tongue, so small thing it is, but always think to talk good. If you curse, you are in a position to be cursed by you only. So always have positive talks between you and whoever you are talking with. Use words which are very polite, and be polite to all. Thank you for listening to my talk for today. It was quite long. Thank you. God bless you. I'll come with more videos to help you to develop this business. Thank you once again. God bless you.